Hi, I'm Peter from Simplewire. Wires by nature are a mess. Now, imagine that you're an electrician working at the airport. In front of you, you have the electrical installations. To do your job, you need an overview of over thousands of wires, breakers, and critical equipment. That's why electricians spend days, weeks, even months tracing wires. Take the Copenhagen airport, for example. They spend more than $12 million a year on electricians. With Simplewire, they can save up to 60%, saving them more than $7 million every single year. The reason we can make these significant results is because we create an instant overview of the complete electrical installation. I'm proud to tell you that we have secured a wide patent and just signed our 5th customer. That means that Simplewire will be installed at the Tivoli Garden and at the Copenhagen Airport in Q1 22. Thank you.